Welcome to What's in the Barn. Today I've got Justin's very cool Mazda B2000 with a bit of a twist, so let's check it out. Coming out, mate. I've got Justin with me in his Mazda B2000. Thanks for coming down.
No problem.
Awesome looking car, man. I remember I saw it at a Mazda car show and I started chatting to you and I thought, man, you got to be on this, on my Lou What's in the Barn thing. So I appreciate you coming down. Do you want to run me through the through the build and modifications and stuff like that?
Okay, so it's got a 13B turbo.
Yep.
Running a Microtech LT10S.
Yep.
Whole set HX40 turbo.
Oh, the old school turbo.
Old school.
Is it laggy or is it pretty good?
It's pretty laggy.
Is it? Yeah.
Once it comes on boost.
It comes on hard?
It comes on very hard.
Yep. So I noticed little things like we were talking about earlier, little things like your front bar, just a little subtle modifications within this ute. So the front bar is a different model front bar, is that correct?
That's from an earlier model one.
Yep. So it's a lot straighter.
A lot straighter.
Do these guys.
Right, though, so
Yeah,
mostly the bodies on the earlier ones and the later ones are pretty much the same. So.
yeah, okay. Yep. And then you're mentioning like the hubcaps.
Yeah, so the hubcaps are original.
Yep.
But they got a little Mazda sticker in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It had the old, the newer Mazda symbol.
Yep. So little stuff like that, and then you've got you've had custom spats made up.
Yeah, the wheel spats are.
That makes the car. That's awesome.
It's a little bit different. A lot of people will sit there and ask.
Yeah.
And they've got the little Mazda symbol in there. That's from an old fuel cap.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And then coming around the tailgate, it's got the, I can notice it's got, because this is an 84?
84?
Yeah, 84. I noticed it's got the sort of old Mazda logo in the tailgate.
That's from the earlier Mazda.
Yeah.
And it's probably a nicer bit of metal because these banged up on the
yeah. I was telling you before, these were like the old painters' cars.
Yeah.
They used to just get flogged. You see.
Big farm vehicle. A lot of people had them on their farms. So
Yeah. Now
a lot of the tubs are all banged up, but this
yeah.
is pretty good.
Nah, this is a pretty straight tub. Also the line inside, so it's had a lot of custom work done to it. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Even the lining, even the paint. One thing, when I saw your car at the show, I thought it was wrapped.
Yeah. People ask me that.
And it's
actually
it's not wrapped.
Satin finish.
Yeah, it makes it pop for sure. So even like all your headlights, your trim, all that's like really clean, man.
It's in good nick, yeah.
Really clean. Got a custom roof, so is that?
That's lace.
Yeah.
So
That's awesome.
something different. A lot of people come up and don't really notice that until they
Yeah.
get close to the car.
What would you call this, a mini truck?
Some people do. Oh, I think it is.
It's like a mini truck slash dragster.
It's different. It's still part of the mini truck. I reckon it has a little bit of a Chevy.
Was it Chevy Love or whatever they call it?
Yeah,
A bit of a feel to it.
A look to it, but I've loved the Utes.
Yeah.
For a long time, so.
No, awesome. So how did you come across this one?
So I've been in the rotary scene from 20 plus years ago.
Yep.
Had RX2 coupe. I probably had about another 4 RX2s.
Yeah.
And got out of
Once you get your first one and you go for a drive in a rotary, you get the bug. Yeah.
Had a family, all that sort of stuff, put that on the back burner, and then this came up.
Yep.
And I was going to do one up exactly the same, but this actually came up for sale.
Yeah.
And already done everything engineered. And
Yeah, so it is engineered. Awesome.
Yeah, engineered.
Yep.
So all legit.
Yeah, perfect. Do you want to give us a look at the engine bay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, nice and clean, man. So it's a, what series block is it?
Series 5.
So series 5, and is it just, is it
Bridgeported?
It is Bridgeported?
Yeah.
I thought it had a lump, but I didn't want to.
Yeah, quite lumpy.
It's got a quite a loud exhaust, which you'll hear when we put the in-car camera in. That's the old bloody truck turbo sitting over there. No, real clean, really clean.
I want to do a...
You got Gilmers as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little bit noisy, but
Yeah.
I want to clean it up, do the engine bay,
Yep.
get that done eventually.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Do a bit to the interior, just clean that up.
Yep. So the interior is pretty original.
All original, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got
Still
some
really,
paintings in there.
yeah, still really clean for sure.
Yeah, it's in good nick.
Yeah. No, you've done well with the Ute for sure. So yeah, I think everyone knows what the go is. We'll whack a camera in the screen. We'll cruise down to St Kilda, and then yeah, we'll do some cinematics. What do you reckon?
Bit of a square. Have some fun.
Yeah. Keep it PG.
Hey.
All right, let's do it.
You still do have to pick the revs up a little bit. Tell me which way to...
Yeah, take us straight. When you go past Luna Park under the bridge and around.
Oh, and
then it's like, yeah, yeah, so down low, does it still run a bit rich?
yeah. Yeah.
I can imagine you landing on the airport, getting picked up in this, and be like, oh, hearing it, and be like, falling in love straight away. It's like he sold it just by picking you up.
And we go through the car park, obviously underground.
Yeah.
It's like multi-level and stuff. I looked at it, I was like, yeah. I did think though it was a little bit better than what it sounded like. I looked at it, I still love it.
Yeah.
Like, then I saw, you know, the paintwork and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like looking down at it, a couple of chips and stuff. It's just, you can't, I don't know, you can't expect anything.
That's right. It's like, if you're getting out there and driving it, that's probably,
Well,
at least
that's
enjoy
it.
it,
It's
you know?
not one of those cars that sits in a shed.
Yeah.
I take it out whenever I can.
Yeah.
There's a car meet. And it's nice weather, I'm out.
Yeah. Now that you're not, I know you're not too far from me. It's like we can cruise together and stuff.
Yeah. So a few of the big rotor boys that live out, you know, Derry, Packard,
Yeah.
Darry, all that.
So I grew up in Dever Hills. That's where I always had my rotaries.
Yeah.
And then it's only more recently I've sort of moved up this way.
Yeah. Do you live there with your missus?
Hey? Yeah, just me and my partner in there. Yeah. So me and my partner have been together maybe just shy of 2 years. Yeah. But we lived, like I've lived in share houses, and then when we got together, we lived in share houses together and stuff. And we just sort of got to a point where I wanted more room to pursue this sort of side of stuff.
Yeah.
And we wanted our own space as well. So, and this house sort of, when I saw this house, I'm just like, oh man, the shed's cool as, you know, even though it's sort of half fallen apart and told, I'm just like, oh man, that's cool, it's good, yeah. And that's where I came up with the idea of doing this sort of stuff. I'm like, man, let's make use of that shed straight away, you know.
Yeah.